Welcome, my friends. This video clearly tell you about the how loan settlement process works step by step, and when you are not able to make the payment and your account become a NPA, and if you are looking for any kind of a settlement, what are the steps we need to follow for settling the entire loan outstanding. So first we need to realize inability to pay EMI. When you are unable to continue paying loan EMI due to genuine financial problems like job loss, medical emergency, business failure, etc., you can consider settlement and contact the bank or lender. Directly inform the bank about your financial crisis. Request for restructuring, either reduce the EMI or tenure extension or settlement if you can't repay full loan due to the financial crisis. So as a proof of documents, you can submit the documents like a medical bills or a job loss termination letter or business loss documents or bank statement showing the low balance. Settlement offer from the bank. Banks check your income, repayment ability and gives an offer. One-time settlement, uh, pay a lump sum lower amount than the outstanding amount. So partial settlement means pay the settlement amount in 2 to 6 installments. It depends upon your NPA status and overall outstanding of the loan and your financial crisis. So this depends upon how you negotiate with the bank based on your situation. Negotiate the settlement amount. You can negotiate to reduce the settlement amount further. Important, keep all communication in writing, email or letter. It is only the evidence you can keep it for further communication or further discussion or further negotiation with the bank. So make payment and take a no due certificate. This is very important. Pay the agreed settlement amount on time. After payment, take NOC, no due certificate is very important. A settlement letter and a closure letter also is very important. So these are the evidences that you have closed the loan with settlement. If these are missing, again, if there is any notice comes from the bank in the future, again you need to face the problem. CIBIL and credit score update. So your loan will be marked as a settled, not or not closed, right? So you can reduce the CIBIL score by, yes, it will reduce 50 to 100 points. So settled status remain in the record for 7 years, but you can make better the credit score or CIBIL score by doing certain kind of exercises. And if you take any loan and if you make any gold loan or something, if you make the payment on time, and it will improve your credit score within 1 or 2 years. Follow up with credit bureau. After settlement, check the credit score report within 45 to 60 days. This is very important. Your bank has not updated status, raise complaint and send proof of CIBIL. Sometimes the banks will not update the credit bureau. So that time you should make sure that one it should be updated and inform. You can raise the complaint, inform to CIBIL also to update his status of CIBIL score. So this is you need to follow up after closing bank loan, right? Some of the do's and don'ts to contact bank yourself from legal action. Before legal action is a very important, because sometimes if you delay too much or if you ignore the bank calls or notices, the legal actions will be taken. Again, it will be very um, big process. You need to complete the settlement. Keep written proof of all the talks. Yes, either it is a email communication or letter communication, all the proofs you keep it as a proofs, right? Pay only after receiving the written settlement letter. Yes, this is very important. Never pay as a cash to any agent or any third party or to the banker agency, because you should always pay only after receiving the settlement letter through only online payment, and take NOC after payment. Yes, NOC is very important and it will avoid the future complications or legal notices again. or any kind of clarification if required, you can show the NOC and update your CIBIL score and make sure that one your CIBIL score is better. And only all the communication as a proof of things, you can make sure that when it written or through email or through letters only, it is good. So these are the steps. So how to negotiate, how to inform, how to respond to the bank, how to respond to the notices. So these are the step-by-steps process we need to follow, and we help in all the steps if you're required to close your loan, and in terms of negotiation, in terms of communication, in terms of getting the certificate, in terms of clearing all dues. You can approach us for any kind of help in the entire loan settlement process. Okay, thank you.